In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find TrustWallet private key. Before we begin, remember that your private key and recovery phrase grant full control over your wallet. Handle them with extreme care and never share them with anyone, including support staff or friends. First, grab your phone and open your web browser. In the address bar, type https:/link.trustwallet.com/developer and load the page. This link simply toggles a hidden developer option inside the TrustWallet app so you can access an export feature. You won't see much happen in the browser itself, and that's okay. Once the page loads, you can switch back to your home screen. Next, open the TrustWallet app. On the main screen, look for the Settings option, typically found in the bottom right corner. Tap Settings to open your app preferences. If you've used the link correctly, the app now has an additional menu item available that isn't usually visible. Now scroll to the bottom of the Settings menu and tap Developer. Because you activated the developer flag a moment ago, you should see this option. If you don't, return to your browser, reload the developer link, and come back to TrustWallet. Once you're in the developer section, proceed carefully. These tools are powerful and intended for advanced actions. Inside Developer, select Export Private Key. The app will show a warning message explaining the risks. Read it fully and confirm you understand before proceeding. After confirmation, TrustWallet will display your private key and, in many versions, a corresponding QR code. You can copy the key or scan the QR into a secure destination. Treat this screen as highly sensitive. Avoid screenshots, cloud notes, or messaging apps. Instead, store the key in an offline, encrypted, and private location you fully control. If you're copying it, double check for extra spaces and keep your device screen away from onlookers or cameras. Finally, and most importantly, never share your private key or recovery phrase under any circumstances. Anyone who has these can move your crypto without permission, and transactions are irreversible. No legitimate service will ask for them. If someone pressures you to reveal them, it's a scam. Keep your key offline, back it up securely, and only access it when absolutely necessary. That's the entire process. Enable the developer toggle via the browser link, open Trust Wallet settings, enter the developer menu, export your private key, and secure it properly. Follow these steps carefully, and your wallet's security stays in your hands.